I left by the fireplace and ash from all the notes that I had burned not long ago. It's great how severing all these ties can make things right, or at least less wrong than they ever were before. The days I'd sit pensive by the window, and I can taste the awful flavor of nostalgia mixed with hurt. But now my mouth is dry. I choke on logic and my tongue is tied from reciting inspired Bible verses and bullshit lies. They say that this world is a wide open road, but we're stuck holding the wheel. But in one hand's a whiskey and the other's too drunk to steer. So where do we go from here now? So where do we go from here now? I dance and pray for rain to wipe this earth out once again and extend those 40 days and nights indefinitely. And there will be tidal waves as all of my problems wash away. You can hear my laughter just before I start to drown. And if everyone here is a child of God's, this world is a pitiless whore, and he's still playing favorites, and behind